Okay, we're ready. High power. Wait about 20 minutes. Alright, heat is turned off for 20 minutes. This thing is still hissing. So just let it hiss. I'll release the whole pressure when I'm ready to eat. Can't eat beef stew without your trusty rice. Lucky I still have my 25-year-old or it's a 30-year-old Japanese rice cooker. Gohan oishii. Voila! The finished product. So it's got to be stirred up a little bit since the meat's not on the bottom. Potatoes. But we are ready to partake. Simple meal. As learned from a bunch of Chinese restaurant owners, add salt last. Here's the stew. Here's the rice, and that's the meal. Bon appetit. To add more bulk to the soup, you can also add some frozen vegetables. You don't really cook them, you just basically bring it up to high heat and just dump it in and let the hot water slowly cook it. It'll be done in about 5 minutes.